Alright, we are heading down to downtown LA to the bike shed for a Ducati event. Should be some cool bikes out there. Uh-oh, what is this? Oh. Well, that's not a good look, is it? Toodles! Probably not good for picking up nails and stuff like that, but it's a beautiful city, man. And we have landed somewhere downtown. We need to find directions real quick. That's cool. There's tons of cool graffiti down here. A lot of artwork on the walls. I think we're not too far from the Arts District, and it's a pretty interesting spot. Oh, bike shed. This space is huge.
As we were walking into the event, I discovered that it was a Ducati unveiling event, and they were going to start the night off with a bang by reminding us about Ducati's racing DNA and racing heritage. And from here, they would unveil a series of bikes that are going to be available in 2022 and their thoughts for some of the bikes that are coming in the near future. The Multistrada Pikes Peak is powered by the V4 Gran Turismo motor that has 170 horsepower and 92 pound-foot of torque. Their graphics are inspired by the Desmo Sedici GP21, so it really has a race look. And it comes with an Öhlins electronic suspension with a full race riding mode and a new electronics management system to keep you safe while you're riding. The new Streetfighter V4 SP comes in the winter test livery, which is this silver tank and then largely blacked out sections with some hints of red. It's really a fantastic livery. I'm a huge fan. It has carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber winglets, front fender, little piece up here in the bonnet. Not sure why, but it looks really cool. And it's powered by the 1103 Desmo Sedici Stradale engine that has 208 horsepower and 90 pound-foot of torque. And it has full carbon fiber rims that save 3 kilograms of weight. Then they unveiled the new Panigale V4S, which is a slightly different livery than the V4. And this bike, with the latest iteration of the Panigale line, has upgrades to everything. The aerodynamics, the ergonomics, the engine with their new torque management system, which I imagine is inspired by their GP bikes, chassis updates, and the full electronic suite update. I really love what they've done with the new winglets and the new air outlets on the side of the bike. Still super aggressive, but a bit more elegant in my eyes. I really like this bike. Always have been. Big fan. And the star of the show was the new Ducati Desert X, which is their off-road focused motorcycle that's inspired heavily by Dakar rally racing. It has a 21-inch front rim, an 18-inch rear rim. It has 250 millimeters of ground clearance, and it comes with 6 different riding modes, 2 of which are focused specifically for off-road riding, and it has a 937cc engine, so it shouldn't leave you wanting for any power in the dirt.
I think we're just gonna go eat. What do we got? Oh, damn. Dude, I can't hear shit. Alright, we are going to get food somewhere. I like lights on strings, folks. I like lights on strings. This is about to be good meal, I hope.
We stopped by one of the most lauded sausage spots in the city, and indeed, it was very, very good. Delicious, in fact, although they do look like a glorified hot dog, which I suppose is what they are, but I definitely enjoyed the meal.
It's a big-ass mailbox. Dude, I love being in the city at night when it's warm out, warmish. It's like 75 degrees right now, and it is just beautiful. I'm always a sucker for nighttime city riding. So, the only downside is you got potholes you gotta watch out for. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. I need an exhaust. This bike is just uber quiet. Yeah, this is probably like my favorite spot to drive through at night in LA, just right downtown, right through the center here. Full moon, about to turn into a werewolf. Ah, woo! Yeah.